let's talk about the golden ratio in nature. The pineapple contain 13 and 8 spirals. Okay, 13 and 8. 13 and 8 are numbers from the Fibonacci sequence. Most of the pineapple contain this number. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and 34 is the Fibonacci sequence. The link with the golden ratio is we divide the largest number by the smallest. This fraction equal to the golden ratio. The golden number is 1.618 and the fraction is 13 over 8 equal 1.62.
The flower. Clockwise direction 34 spirals. Counterclockwise direction 22 spirals. 21. 34 over 22 equal 1.61905. The number 21 and 34 come from the Fibonacci sequence.
I take a picture of my arm. We can find the gold number in my arm with the formula 4 arm over 4 iron minus n is equal to 1.6. 51 over 51 minus 20 is equal to 1.65. So my arm represents the gold number.